Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin and Cardano. Brief update because Cardano is currently at a breakout point. Just wanted to make you aware of it. We are obviously finally in 2022, first week in 2022. And the working week hasn't started yet. But historically, in the last 4 years, the first week of a year was always positive for Bitcoin in the last 4 years. So that is something worth thinking about. It oftentimes comes after a sell-off in December, or at least some sort of reaction in the beginning of the year to the fact that many businesses and institutions, including funds, are moving money back into Bitcoin. At least that is what one possible solution and one possible explanation for this is. Especially in 2021, we had a 36% increase just in the first week. And in 2020, it was 13%. So let's see if 2022 will also be a successful first week. It would definitely be in line for Bitcoin with what I still primarily expect, which is a move into this target area, which would be in an ideal case here to the ideal target level of 58.5. It would take us to a 24% increase. So that would be very well in line with results from the previous years. And even in 2019 and 2018, we had a gain in the first week in January. So that's interesting. And I thought I'd mention that. Overall here for Bitcoin, nothing has changed. I just wanted to show you really the current breakout level for Cardano that is currently at. Not sure if the breakout will actually happen, but I just try to make you aware to watch this level before something happens, because Cardano is moving up a little bit compared to Bitcoin, while Bitcoin is still here staying in this basically below this resistance zone that I showed you here in the previous video here, basically this one where we just need to get above, basically here, probably more accurate like that. So that's where Bitcoin needs to get above. Got a bit of up and down here, a lot of volume going on here, but overall volume is down. But that's where the trading area is at the moment, and Bitcoin still needs to break above 52k to get a confirmed breakout to the upside, or below 45.5k to get a confirmed breakout to the downside. My primary expectation still remains move up in this area here between 55 and 63k before it then drops down to below 30k. Cardano currently, why do I say a breakout point? Well, we've got this key area of resistance here on the Cardano chart, which is here 138.3. You've got, it's pretty much a bit of a zone. So that zone started at 137 and it ends, in my view, here at the 138.2 level, also where currently we've got here this the 21-day EMA, right? So we're already above the 13-day EMA, and we're currently finding support, as it seems. I mean, this is the hourly chart here. This is obviously currently in the current hour. We've moved above. Now, we tried that before here yesterday and a few days before, but we couldn't really get through this 138.2 level. Now we are there again after we're moving up nicely, actually, in this breakout formation. So it is a potential breakout formation with higher lows, higher highs, and an ascending trend line, an ascending triangle as well. So it's not that clearly bullish, because we are coming down from a strong move down, a strong, nearly looking impulsive move down. So all this could be just a little bit of a correction of the actual impulse down. But still, I thought it's worth mentioning, because I think when we move above this target area of this level of 138.3, we could move all the way up to 144. Basically here, this next high, the previous high that is on the chart here. So that is where the price could be going. I think it might be worth watching that. I think something could be happening here for Cardano very imminently. I mean, we're already here on this ascending trend line here, the one that is less steep, and that started down here at 118. And even with this one, we are in a, at least here in an uptrend. Obviously, we had a bit of a run up here, all the way up to 159, which was really nice. But then we also saw that expected correction, and the price did come down all the way to the support level that I told you it would. And yeah, that's where we landed at this ascending trend line. And I think we have a potential here to push through here. Yeah. And it would be very important, because that would be a possibility now for Cardano, for the bulls to make a higher high and continue this uptrend, which looks a bit choppy, to be honest. So we seem to have bottomed out here for now, start to make here higher lows, which is good, but now we need to push and make higher highs as well. This was a bit of a special one, this strong move up, after which we of course sold off again, but we didn't fall down as far as Bitcoin did, which also materializes now in the ADA BTC chart. And this cup and handle that I talked about finally seems to realize we don't have much more to go. We just have this gap to close here, where we really get this handle shape, and that would be great, because you know, the handle didn't go down too far. And yeah, I mean, as you can see here, from down here to the top here, the handle definitely, so far at least, hasn't gone down below 50% of the height of the cup. So yeah, it remains interesting here. Certainly a breakout formation on the ADA BTC chart here as well, when we get back to the 3040 level, right? Okay, and that's pretty much my quick update on Cardano and Bitcoin. Hope you liked it. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.